1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shake your neck. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump nicely. Good. Now second step. Is everyone ready? 1, 2, 4. Gets tight. 5, 6, 7. Good. Make it louder. Shake your neck. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3. Go down. Make it flower. Different than this one. Good. Shake your neck. Go up. Goes up. All right. Can you hold it really quick? I'll let it go right after this, okay? Now we do this again. 1, 2. Hand on your hip. 3, 4, 5, 6. Jump nicely. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go down, make water. Now let's see everyone's hands, nice and pretty. Very nice. Can you turn your knees out? Turn your knees out. Good. Now we'll go faster. Yeah. Take a crown. Good. Oh, okay, so we're on to the next thing. Ready? Good. Remember what comes next. Good. Woo-hoo. Now again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember what the next paragraph is about. Good. Almost done, almost done. Okay, so we make it rain. Good. We do that again. Good, and now we tap.